God. Guys, I hope you don't get tired of seeing this bike. I'm going to keep geeking out over it as much as I can. It is just absolutely gorgeous to me. And ridiculously fast. And just slightly loud.
And like a normal Ducati, hard to find neutral.
And if you heard Brian, like a normal Ducati, hard to find neutral. Sounds exactly right. It's because she doesn't want to be in neutral. Wow. I'm really going to miss this bike. Love it. All that beautiful blue PROTI, along with some black PROTI, and some natural PROTI. This bike, every little detail is just absolutely perfect. Thank you, MOTOCORSE. Thank you, AEM Factory. Thank you, AELLA. Thank you, CNC Racing. Thank you, Brembo. Thank you, SICOM. Thank you, Over Suspension. Thank you, BST. Guys, you all came together and helped us to build an amazing bike. Oh yeah, and MONZATECH. And check this out, Reckless Racing. If you haven't seen that, well, this might be the first time you've ever seen or heard of it, but Reckless Racing throttles, they're new, coming soon. Can't wait to have them on the site. I'm just waiting for a first shipment to arrive, so hopefully we'll see more of them very soon. That was our test sample. It passed the test. Ooh, RIZOMA mirrors, RIZOMA indicators, CARBONVANI carbon fiber all throughout this bike. Ooh, PUIG windscreen. Yep, there's some AEM right there.
MOTOCORSE did a good job.
Yes,
yes. They're releasing a subframe, rear subframe.
Oh yeah.
So
what?
I'm on the waiting list. Hopefully.
Who knew about that? A MOTOCORSE billet rear subframe for the new Panigale V4? I didn't hear anything about that. I didn't say anything about that. What? Oh, that would be super cool if it happened. Sure hope it does. Yeah, right?
Irish did a damn good job doing a lot of work. Even the brake lines are carbon.
That's true. Even the brake lines. Ever seen carbon fiber brake lines? They're awesome. Check it out. Yeah, touch them. It's an awesome way to drop about 2 pounds off of your bike. It's
wow.
Every little bit matters on a bike like this.
And those brakes are those calipers are even crazy.
Dude, honestly,
but the rotor itself is huge.
And check it out. The rotor's not even warm. Like you can just touch it.
ABS.
A steel rotor, you can't touch. You'd burn your hands after 5 minutes of riding. Just 1 or 2 stops, they get so hot. These, the carbon rotors, just no heat. No heat goes into them. I mean, they're barely warm. Barely warm. It's awesome.
Oh yeah.
And yeah, they definitely work. I watched the man stop at every. I mean, he got here perfectly safe, and he was riding at a rate in which I cannot record for you gentlemen and ladies, and keep my customers out of a penitentiary. So yes, we're not gonna worry about that. Anyhow, hope you enjoy seeing this bike. I love showing it off.
On my V2 and my Superleggera.
Key, who needs a key?
And
just a
they
pin.
worked. They were basically there just for like that.
Yeah. Because I have the Tuono V4 instead of the RS V4.
Yeah.
And when I did the mirrors mounted to the stem down here, I did the stealth ones at first, but every time I went to grab the clutch of the brake lever, my knuckles hit the mirror every time. And I just couldn't see anything out of them.
Yeah, no, I never really. They were never really functional.
The original stealth mirrors?
That's what we're talking about.
Yeah,
They were more functional as ringlets than.
Yeah, 1 to 10 as a mirror, I'd give it like a 6 on the best on their best day.
Right.
These
I just run CRG now.
These are the RIZOMA Stealth Max mirrors, and these actually function quite well. I mean, look at that. That's a big sight picture.
Right after the stealth came out, I was like, man, those are actually better designed because you can move them.
Ryan, what do you think riding over here with these? How'd they work?
They're great.
Yeah. Awesome.
I wish that they had stolen Puig's idea because now that I got to mess with Lyle's on his Yeah,
those are cool. Those are cool.
Because, you know, like, obviously when you put them down, then you got to find the right spot again. But with PUIG, they got that lock setting where it goes right to where you want it.
Hear that, Rizoma? You can further improve your Stealth and Stealth Max mirrors by allowing a locking detent, perhaps a set screw somewhere that would allow us to. Yep, see? So you have multiple customers here. One with a knockoff, one with the real. Both of them, same problem. You can fix it. You could be the guys. So please do it. Do it. Do it for us. Yeah, if you set.
They're lever guards. They come off like this, and they sit.
You know what to do, guys. You know what to do.
There's a set screw for it. So there's a screw to adjust the tightness, and then there's a screw to adjust where it stops.
Yeah.
So basically, you can put it where you want it and set it, and then next time you want to use it, it's where you need it.
Yep.